I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna beat you. Hey, I'm gonna race. On your mark, get set, go to the toy to James Russell's toy car review. Winner is this one. Okay, so we're gonna start the video. Goodbye. We're gonna start this video at the toy car world. Goodbye. Guys, so we got there. I got 3 Hot Wheels, and then I got the Humvee like Hummer H1, and then I got BMW M2 2016 model, and then I got this 2015 Ford Mustang GT Convertible. Ooh, so breezy. First, we're gonna open this. Let's just move a bit forward. Almost perfect. Okay. Then now I got this. Wait a minute. Whoa! This looks like totally dino ride. And then this is perfect for the military. Wow! Look at this. It's so plastic. Totally so plastic. And then there's a tow hitch. And then it looks like muddy wheel. But it's so nice and so smooth to roll. Excuse me. And then, whoa! I love this. I love this style of this. It looks like. Excuse me again. And then let's check right here. No brand, but this 2014. This one is released in 2014. Later we're gonna review this one. Next we're gonna open this one. 16's BMW M2 Coupe. Oops, almost in a half. Just wait. Oh, look at this. It's totally all red. Wow! My dad totally liked this, but the logo's too small, but I cannot see what the heck. Oh, look at the Hot Wheels, but still small. What the heck? It should be a medium size, not too big, because it will just whole BMW logo. What the heck? And so, look at this. I have an error. Ugh. I got an error BMW M2, but that's okay. Let's see if it rolls so smoothly. Still rolls so smoothly, but I got an error. Wait a minute. This is not an error. Sorry. This is not an error. Oh yeah, I see an error right there. I see an error right here. Whoa, that's not much error. That's an error. Oh yeah, this one. And I will not put the title BMW 2016 BMW M2 with error. I'm not gonna put this because it will take a long to upload. Because I use iMovie. Now we're gonna open this. Ooh, so yellowy shield. Oops. So worse opening. I mean weird opening. So fresh. And then, whoa, it looks so breezy and has 4 seats, perfect for the family of this one. But all you need is a roof. Okay, that's perfect. And then, nice to roll. Whoa, this is totally, oops, I moved the camera. And then, look at this, it has stripes. And I'm gonna show you later I have the Ford Mustang Shelby. Whoa. This one is totally look nice. And now let's review of this one. Oops, the cameras work. Okay, it's perfect. And the number of this one is Dino 2. Oh yeah. See as wait. Cannot understand, but it's just a design. But there's a back one, but all you need is put a bull bar. So much stinks. Then I've got this. It's a nice headlight and nice taillight, but the logo's so small. What the heck? But I have got an error. Oh my god. L16 in the box. FJB. Yeah, made in Malaysia. What the heck? Just hold on for a second. And then this one, it looks like totally not really cool. It's totally convertible 4-door. It looks like, but only 2 doors. But also you need to go up right there. And then I love this wheel. And then I have a Q&A for you. Which one is your favorite car? This one, or this one? See you later, car fans. Thank you at your service, and take care of your off-road, and we're ready to go back home, and soon let's go. Hey! Me first. No, me first. Me first. Sorry. We're just fighting. Stop fighting, everyone. Stop fighting. You two both. Okay. See you later, Matthew. Oh, oops. You're going back home. We're going back home.